Hey everybody, Augie at Switchback Trading. Yeah, entered in again. Model's presenting itself. However, now that I'm in it, I'm not sure if I want to be. Reason being, we have this low here, but it didn't touch the support yet. So I think we may do another sell-off. If that's the case, I'm gonna get stopped out. Technically, right now it's bullish. The signal was given. Yeah, I'm gonna enter it again. Okay. So I just entered in another position. It's above the EMA. So it's closed above the EMA twice, and it's closed above the 25% reversal level twice. So yeah, it's technically the signal's given, right? I'm gonna try to go for. Stop it! It's a marker. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a quick scalp if I can. I'm not gonna hold for the 75%. I'm gonna go from the 25 to the 50. Why would I do this? Higher probability of it getting hit, right? Yes. 25 to 50, more profit, but really, you know, taking a smaller bite, higher chance. So right there instead of that. All right, so let's see if I can get tagged out for a quick scalp. Boop. Come on, boop. I just need a boop. Trading's weird. It's simple, but it's difficult. No, it's simple, but it's not easy. If that makes sense. The concepts, what you need to do, is very simple. You need to find a profitable model that has an edge, statistical, positive expectancy over the long run, right? If you know your stop is this, and you know your profit target is this, over so many trades, is it positive expectancy? Do you have an edge, right? Now that you have an edge, that's only half of it. The other part is the mental aspect. Will you follow your model? Will you follow your system? Will you follow your strategy? That's where me, as well as other people, struggle. It's my actual system is great. It works. It's me. I'm the weak link. Do I follow it? I need to follow and we're out. Okay. Yeah, that's what I like. I like trades like that. In, minimal drawdown, out, boom. Will it go to the 75? You know what? It might. I don't care. I'm out. I'm green. I'm out. There's no more risk on. Compound trades add up quick. So don't be greedy. Take the base hits. Build your account. And the more you use the model, the more you'll know when you feel like letting it run or whatnot. All right. Till the next one. Laters.